Assalamu alaikum, my dear cadets. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I, Al Amin, a very warm welcome to each and every one of you to my online class. Cadets, you know that the corona epidemic has now spread around the world. Bangladesh has also been affected by corona. Corona has been hitting Bangladesh since last March. The rate of corona infection is increasing day by day. So we have to be very careful and cautious to get rid of COVID. Health scientists are advising to strengthen the immune system. So increase immunity to protect yourself from corona. Cadets, today we will discuss what kind of food we can use to keep our immune system strong. For this, you can follow the following eating habits. Eat food in rich vitamin C regularly, like lemon, orange, mango, guava, pineapple, etc. Eat eggs regularly. Eat milk or dairy foods. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Limit foods and drinks high in fat, sugar, and salt. Choose both plant and animal-based proteins. And stay hydrated. Okay, boys, come on, let's go to our main topic. Our today's class of class 7, subject Information and Communication Technology, topic Information and Communication Technology at workplace and ICT in social life. Okay, boys, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify the fields of using ICT in workplace. Analyze the importance of ICT in workplace and evaluate the importance of and impact of ICT in social life. Boys, ICT in social life and also ICT in workplace. ICT in workplace. The student usually after finishing their education in school go to college and from college to university. We have many public universities in our country. After completing the HSC examination, students have to sit for an admission test to get entry into the universities. Once the admission procedure was very complicated. They had to go to the universities traveling by either bus or train or ship and queue up to collect the forms. Again, they had to take the burden of going to the university physically to submit the forms. After the admission test and assessment of the answer scripts, the result would be published in the newspaper. And the qualified students got entry into the universities. In 2009, SAST, Shahjalal University of Science and Technology, decided to conduct the whole admission process through ICT. And not a single piece of sheet would be used for any work. The candidate did not need to come out of the room for registration. The Prime Minister of Bangladesh inaugurated the admission process that did not require a single piece of paper on August 21, 2009. All the schools, colleges, universities have been using ICT for admission since then. Everyone can complete the whole entry procedure only by using a mobile phone. So we can tell all admission activities in the educational institution can be done at home through internet. Next, ICT in workplace, for example, in voting system. The most amazing work being done in our country without paper is polling through an electronic voting machine. Our country is a democratic country where everything is determined by public opinion. We had to vote in the election for which we need ballot papers, that is, paper where the names and symbol of the candidate are printed. The voters put the seals on the ballot papers, folded it, and put in the ballot box. After the election, votes were counted manually. There is no such hassle using the EVM. The voter can emphasize just pushing a button or touching a screen. As soon as the time is over, people get the result instantly as it produces a tabulation of the voting data stored in memory device and gives a printed copy. You will be pleased to know that many crucial elections of our country were conducted by the EVM. Next, ICT in call center. ICT is being used extensively in call center. A call center is impossible without the use of ICT. A call center is a centralized office used for receiving or transmitting a large volume of inquiries by telephone. So we can tell the importance of application of ICT in workplace unparalleled. Next, ICT in virtual office. Nowadays, we can do a lot of office work at home without going to the office using the internet. As the employees of a virtual office need not to be present physically, they can stay anywhere. So the employee of an office may live in different cities. Many offices run in this way. Virtual offices are most needed during the current corona pandemic. This is the application of ICT in workplace. Those who are the employees do not physically go to the office but successfully conduct the office work of this nature is called virtual office. Next, ICT in workplace, that is ICT in robotic system. Robots are being used for complex, difficult, and risky research all over the world. Typical application of industrial robots includes welding, painting, ironing, assembly, pick and place, palletizing, product inspection, and testing, all accomplished with high endurance, speed, and precision. Okay, guys, we have discussed about application of ICT in workplace. Our next topic is ICT in social life. To the general people, Facebook is the best known as social media. Social media is computer-based technology that facilitates the sharing of ideas, thoughts, and information through the building of virtual network and communities. By design, social media is internet-based and gives users quick electronic communication of content. Example of social media: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, etc. Facebook. Facebook is a website of social networking system. Mark Zuckerberg, along with some his friends, launched the site. Anyone can be a member of Facebook without any subscription. The user can add friends, send messages, update their personal information, and give status and share information with others. Besides, audios and videos can be sent through it. Any organization can open its homepage on Facebook, and at the same time, like-minded people can form a Facebook group. Twitter. Twitter is a social network too, but it has a basic difference with Facebook. The users have to express themselves and exchange opinion within 140 characters. That is why it can be called a website of microblogging. The message of 140 words is called tweet. The tweets of tweeters are displayed on their profile page. The member of the Twitter can follow other members to read the tweets. Those who follow a member are called followers. Okay, boys. See the basic characteristics of Facebook at a glance. Boys, there are basically 10 types of social media. We are going to discuss according to sequence. Social networks connect with people. Media sharing network share photos, videos, and other media. Discussion forums, share news and ideas. Bookmarking and content curation network. Its characteristics: discover, save, and share new content. Consumer review network. Its characteristics: find and review business. Blogging and publishing network. Publish content online. Interest-based network. Share interest and hobbies. Social shopping networks. Shop online. Sharing economy networks. Trade goods and services. Anonymous social network. Communicate anonymously. Social network. Example of social network is Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. We have already discussed about Facebook and Twitter. Why people use this network, that is social network, we have already discussed before. Next, media sharing network. The example of this network is Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube. This network, people used to find and share photos, video, live video, and other media online. Next, discussion forums. Example of this network is Reddit, Quora, Geek. The common people use this network to find, discuss, and share news, information, and their views. Next, bookmarking and content curation network. Example of this network is Pinterest, Flipboard. The people use this network to discover, save, share, and discuss new and trending content and media. Next, consumer review network. Example of this network is Yelp, Zomato, TripAdvisor. Characteristics of this network is to find, review, and share information about brands, products, and services, as well as restaurants, travel destinations, and more. Next, blogging and publishing network. Example of this network is WordPress, Tumblr, Medium. Characteristics of this network: to publish, discover, and comment on content online. Next, social shopping network. Example of this network is Fancy, Etsy, Fiverr. Characteristics of this network: to spot trends, follow brands, share great finds, and make purchase. Next, interest-based network. Example of this: Last.fm, Pose, Goodreads, etc. The advantage of this network is to connect with others around a shared interest or hobby. Next, sharing economy network. Example of this network is Uber, TaskRabbit, Airbnb. Advantage of this network is to advertise, find, share, buy, sell and trade products and service between peer. Last, anonymous social network. Example of this network, Ask.fm, After School, Whisper. Advantage of this network is to gossip, vent, snob, and sometimes bully. Okay, boys. Now we are going to summarize our today's class. We have already discussed on two topics, that is ICT in workplace. In this area, we discussed about admission system, electronic voting machine, call center, virtual office, and also discussed about robot. Our today's topic was ICT in social life. In this topic, we discussed about social networks, media sharing networks, discussion forums, bookmarking and content curation networks, consumer review networks, blogging and publishing, interest-based network, social shopping networks, sharing economy networks, anonymous social networks. Okay, boys. There is a home task for you, that is write a short description on robot in dangerous work. Dear cadets, now it is the time of corona pandemic. So follow the following to protect yourself from COVID-19. Clean your hands at least 20 seconds with soap and water after every 2 hours. Maintain distance 1 meter between yourself and others. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Refrain from going to public gathering. At last, keep up to date on latest information of COVID. Okay, boys. Thank you. I am finishing here today. Talk to you soon and keep up the good content.